nice yellow. Damn, looks good. Look at everyone, look. You're loud, bro. Who's this guy? Yo, I got a pump. Too much two-stepping, G. What's good? What's up, bro?
That thing is insane.
Thanks.
It's shooting fire.
It is. Alright. Bro, that kid behind us has his ears plugged in. Bye. 60,000 miles. This car's about to hit 60,000 miles. Like, what? It's getting old.
New motor?
New motor? Shelby? Yo, that was my buddy Logan, man. We were just doing a little cruise. We do need to link up and actually do like a serious video, not just go around downtown making some noise and breaking everyone's neck because we broke a lot of people's neck. Hell yeah.
Noise all day. Always, somebody got a virus always. Come on, man.
You're in it right now.
it.
Hey, turn! Turn. 20? No.
And that turn is where I curved my wheel. Right here, right?
Where the fuck you parking at, little dog?
That's a good spot, right?
That little dog is barking.
Shut up.
Perro!
Hey, should I
Shout out
park
to
right
Wanda.
here or in the middle? No, here's good.
Hey, what you mean in the middle?
Like
The parking
one
spots?
more over, yeah. Like behind.
Straight